The only thing holding the ledger board is these metal brackets, one on the right and one on the left. The frame is only 8 by 8 and it just sits on a cement slab. These boards are to strengthen all 4 corners. These are for a place to nail the lattice to. Each joist gets a joist hanger. Floorboards are added, distanced by the thickness of a deck screw. All floorboards are installed. Post installed on all 4 corner. Front railings installed. Post for entrance gate installed. Handrails and railings installed. Steps and handrails installed. And finally gate is installed. You can do this too.